Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Managing a cluttered inbox in Apple Mail can feel overwhelming when unread messages pile up. You can quickly mark all your emails as read on your Mac, iPhone, or iPad to clear those notification badges. On a Mac, start by opening the Mail app and selecting the specific mailbox or inbox you want to clear. Go to the top menu bar and click on Mailbox. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Mark all messages as read. This updates every message in that folder. If you prefer using your iPhone or iPad, the process is just as simple. Open the Mail app and navigate to your inbox or any specific folder. Look for the Edit button in the top right corner of your screen and tap it. Once the selection circles appear, look at the top left corner and tap Select All. This highlights every email visible in that list. Look at the bottom left corner for the Mark button. Tap it to open a menu of actions. Choose the option labeled Mark as read from the list. Your device will process the request and remove the blue unread dots from all selected messages. This is a great way to reset your inbox without deleting important information. It works for individual accounts or your all inboxes view. Keeping your workspace clean helps you stay focused on new incoming messages. You can repeat these steps anytime your unread count gets too high. These built-in tools make it easy to manage thousands of emails in just a few seconds on any Apple device you use.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.